Hi everybody, I'm Vasho from bestmusiccourses.com, which is a website where you can find several online music courses from different producers and for different musical instruments. So if you are thinking about learning to play the piano, the guitar, ukulele, violin or another instrument, definitely check this website out. This video is going to be a full review of Playground Session, which is one of the most popular piano learning software co-founded by Quincy Jones. I'm going to show you how does it work, what is inside, how much does it cost, what are the pros and cons, and finally what are the main differences between Playground Session and some other products in this category like Flowkey or Piano Marvel. I hope you are going to find out everything you need to know about Playground Session. If not, check out the written version of this review. Just click the link below this video. Playground Session is a piano learning software and app working with PC, Mac or iPad. It is not a cloud-based application like for example Flowkey or Scoof, so you have to download it to your computer or iPad. Thanks to this, you can use all downloaded courses and songs also in offline mode. The learning process combines step-by-step interactive courses focused on piano techniques and music theory with learning and playing songs. So it is quite fun because you can learn new things and play the music you like from the beginning. If you want to learn with Playground Session, you're gonna need a digital keyboard with MIDI or USB connection. Theoretically, you can also learn with an acoustic piano, but in this case you lose all functions and interactive features that makes this software interesting. Playground Session is primarily designed for beginners, but there are also songs and courses for intermediates and advanced pianists. The best way how to start is free 7-day trial. In this period, you can try all features and find out if it suits your needs. When upgrading to a premium account, you can choose between annual, monthly membership or a lifetime access. The pricing is comparable with similar products like Flowkey, Scoof or Piano Marvel. Once you have your account, you have to download the software. After a few introductory notes, you will be assisted to set up your instrument. Just connect your keyboard to your device and play the lowest and the highest key and it's done. Then you're gonna see the dashboard. As you can see, the main upper menu has 6 categories. Now I'm going to walk you through all of these very fast. Let's start with My Playground. The main dashboard shows you the total time you spent practicing, the number of song credits and your progress position in the bootcamp courses. Playground Session tracks everything you play so you can control and measure your practicing. In the progress subcategory, there are statistics with your score, level and practice time. Badges are a kind of awarding system in Playground Session. There are some goals you can try to achieve, for example an apprentice badge, which you're gonna have after 10 hours of practicing, or a superstar badge you're gonna win if you play 5 songs with 3 stars rating score. This system should help you to practice regularly and stay motivated. Bootcamp. Here you can find step-by-step courses focused on piano techniques and music theory. The courses are divided according to the skill level to rookie, intermediate and advanced. They contain both video lessons and exercises, which is very practical. Every course you want to walk through it, you have to download it. Many exercises use real songs and are accompanied by quality background music, so you don't need to be afraid of being bored. There are 93 courses just in the rookie level. To know how it looks like, let's see the second one called 5-finger position. As you can see on the left, there are 9 lessons in this course, 2 video tutorials and 7 exercises. It is very useful that in the video tutorial the instructor tells you what and how to practice. I will tell you more about the way of learning later. Now I want to show you what is in other boot camps. The intermediate tour has more than 60 courses with a different number of lessons. They're gonna teach you how to play chords, chord voicings, progressions, triads, how to play a melody with chords and much more. More advanced pianists can practice with Advanced Tour. This section has more than 20 courses focused on both hand practicing and mastering the music theory. In the courses category you have additional bonus courses. They give you other lessons for improving your hand techniques. These courses are also a combination of video lessons with exercises. All songs you want to learn will be added to your library. With the premium account you have 5 songs to choose at the beginning and then 5 new songs every month. If you want to learn more, you can buy them in the song store. Playground Session contains more than 500 songs of different genres. You can filter them according to the skill level, rookie, intermediate and advanced, or a style. There are 12 genres you can choose from. The song difficulty is also shown under the song icon in the library. When you choose a song you like, you're gonna see some details like name of the song and author, sheet, song preview with and without the background, other level availability, and recommendations. The last category in the main menu is the forum. This is a virtual place where you can share your questions you might have, song requirements and technical support. When it comes to instructors, there are 2 faces related to Playground Session. The first is living icon of popular music Quincy Jones, and the second is a phenomenal pianist and singer-songwriter Harry Connick Jr. But if you expect some lessons from Quincy Jones, you will be disappointed. He only contributes to the learning methodology and arrangements, so there are no lessons with him. On the other hand, Harry Connick Jr. will teach you several topics, for example, reading music, playing chords and jazz improvisation. The main instructor in Playground Session is David Seitz. He is a great pianist who will guide you through all piano exercises. Now I'm going to show you how does Playground Session work. Let's choose, for example, the song Another Day in Paradise by Phil Collins to demonstrate all functions and interactive features. What you can see after clicking the song is a virtual keyboard, scores and function menu. On the left side there are particular lessons, 27 in this case. Every lesson is focused on a certain part of the song by practicing with the right or left hand or both hands together. This way you're gonna learn the song step by step. The last lesson is always about playing the whole song. So let's try to play the song. In the first lesson I'm going to practice the first 8 bars with the right hand.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, set, go.
As you can see, while playing I can control the notes on the virtual keyboard and sheet. The correct notes are turned green and the incorrect notes are red. When the exercise is finished, I can see the feedback right away. You can start or stop the exercise with the play button. Forward and backward buttons move you to another lesson. When you want to practice with repeating from the beginning, click the toggle looping button. Next, we have a metronome function and a record button which allows you to record and save your playing in a WAV file. This is a useful function, I think, especially for piano teachers, because students can send them their exercises. Due to an advanced functionality, Playground Session is also used in several music schools. Let's jump to the last lesson where I would like to show you other options. We have here the score for both hands. When you don't want to play with the background sounds, just click the icon here with these 3 heads. Now, as you can hear, I practice only with background piano sound.
2, set, go.
You can set the tempo between normal, 50% speed, or choose the tempo you want. Here you can also set which part of the score will be playing in the background, the right or the left hand, or both hands together. The great thing is also a possibility to change what will be displayed, fingering, letter names, or nothing, no markings. The zoom function helps you to navigate in the song. You can also print the sheet of the song using the printer icon. The settings allows you to change the ratio between the metronome, background sounds and your piano. Okay, so this is how the learning process in Playground Session works. All these functions are available in songs and exercises in boot camps. As I said, I think Playground Session has great options how to practice and learn new songs. Generally speaking, Playground Session is for everybody who wants to learn playing the piano online or at home. Most preferred styles in the Playground Session library are pop, soul, rock, country and TV music, and some classical pieces. It means this software is designed mostly for popular music fans. Also, most courses are for piano beginners and intermediates, so if you are an advanced pianist, I think there are better options for you, like for example Artistworks. I think that Playground Session has the best functionality among other competitive products. Well, Piano Marvel is very close because it also allows you to play a selected part of the song, choosing the hand you want to practice. It also has a metronome loop function, but Playground Session goes a little further. You can select if you want to practice with an accompaniment or without, split between displaying fingering or chord names. Both software has progress tracking and displaying notes you play on your piano. The main difference between these two software, in my opinion, is the repertoire. While Piano Marvel is more focused on classical music, Playground Session is more about popular music. Although Flowkey doesn't have so many interactive functions, it is also very easy to use app with amazing design and sound. The Flowkey library contains more than 1000 songs of several genres. And you don't need to buy any additional songs like in Playground Session. On the other hand, the step-by-step lessons in Playground Session Bootcamp are great and easy to follow. So I would rather recommend Playground Session for complete beginners who needs also more theory, and Flowkey for those who want to focus on playing more songs. Other difference is in the compatibility. Both apps are used for PC and Mac, but while Playground Session is available only for iPads, the Flowkey app works also with Android devices. Let's summarize the pros Playground Session has. Step-by-step courses combining video tutorials with exercises, good quality of accompaniment sounds, quality instructors, advanced functionality and flexibility in practicing. I didn't talk about possibility to buy the software with a new keyboard for a better price, so you have also this option. I also like audio setting options and affordable pricing in comparison with the private piano lessons. There is no product without some imperfections, so also Playground Session has some. There are no lessons with Quincy Jones. It can be probably the biggest disappointment if you expect this. A limited number of songs in premium account. This applies for the monthly and annually premium account. And also the arrangement quality is not always so good because some songs are very simplified. And the last disadvantage is no compatibility with Android devices. Among other piano learning software, I like the Playground Session probably the most because it excels in functionality and exercise flexibility. Despite some imperfections, it is a reasonable alternative to private piano lessons. The repertoire focuses mainly on popular music with an overlap of other genres. Beginners and intermediates will appreciate the step-by-step courses teaching the basics of playing the piano and music theory in a fun way. Overall, I rate Playground Session at 87%. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you want to know even more about Playground Session, check out the written version on bestmusiccourses.com. In the description of this video you can also find related links to other piano learning software. I would like to also encourage you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to upload new videos about online music education, tips for musicians and other reviews. So this is it. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and stay tuned.